Part 2 of the headlight fixing video on the 33 Auburn Salon Speedster. In the first part I showed you the headlight switch and the dimmer switch, but I forgot to show you the little screws that hold the wires onto them. They were rusty and crusty and just not good, so I kind of tried cleaning them up with the wire wheel on the grinder, but they're so tiny they're hard to hang on to, so I dipped them in Tarnex. I took the cover of a paint can and put some Tarnex in the middle, threw the fasteners in there, let them sit for a couple hours, and they came out looking really nice. So Tarnex is the way to go. Then I rinse them in water to neutralize them and spray them with some of the Gibbs lubricant, and they're set to go. On these wires where the insulation was cracked and a potential short, I put some shrink tubing over them, heat shrink tubing. And did they have heat shrink tubing in 1933? No, they didn't, but I don't know what else I can do. It's either heat shrink tubing or wrap it up with electrical tape, and I think the heat shrink tubing looks better, and this is going to be tucked in behind the firewall where it won't be visible anyway, so I'll deal with that. For shrinking the tubing, I am not going to wave a flame around my 1933 Auburn, so I just use the heat gun, and that shrinks it fine without the fire danger of using a torch. Okay, next video, we're going to find out if they're working.